Cancer is the main cause of death worldwide. In 2012, about 8.2 million deaths are caused by cancer. Oral cancer is the sixth most common cancer in the world. Epidemiological data show that 90% of oral cancer cases in the world are kind of oral squamous cell carcinoma. In Indonesia, the prevalence of oral squamous cell carcinoma cases range between 3 until 20% of all cancer, with a mortality rate between 2.4% until 3.57% and 76.3% of patients come in advanced stage. Early detection is one of important efforts to control, prevent, and determine the successful treatment of patients, especially in oral squamous cell carcinoma. Based on this background, I am Aurelio Prasetyo Putrasidya, the representative of Dentistry Faculty, Jember University, will introduce my idea to make an OSCE oral STJ with respect, a non-invasive diagnostic tool for oral squamous cell carcinoma with Semerin salivary biomarker based on lateral flow assay. This tool using a saliva-based early diagnosis Semerin biomarker. Semerin can be found in patients' saliva of oral squamous cell carcinoma. Biomarker Semerin selected for this biomarker because it has high specificity and high sensitivity. This tool is designed to have a practical, flexible, and does not require special skills, fast and certainly accurate. The working principle of this tool using lateral flow assay technique. The structure of this technique are sample pad where you can enter saliva, conjugate pad placed to ensure the stability of saliva, membrane, the application of the test where there are indicators of test, the test lens and the control lens, and the absorbent pad placed to prevent backflow and prevent false positive test result. The shape of this tool like a test pack in general, with dimensions of 5 cm times 1.3 cm and a thickness of 0.6 cm. There is one hole at the entry of saliva samples that have been collected, and there are two indicators, namely test indicator and control indicator. The control indicator always shows positive results, while the test indicator can be positive or negative, depends on the presence or absence of the protein biomarker Semerin. The saliva containing Semerin will bind to the antibody nanoparticle conjugate and migrate, and also the non-bonded migrate towards the test indicator and control indicator. Semerin which binds to the antibody nanoparticle conjugate will bind to the antibody binding Semerin, whereas the antibody nanoparticle conjugates that do not bind to the Semerin antibody binds to the anti-Semerin binder. First, the patient instructed ceopalavin for 1 until 2 minutes that are available in the box pack oral STJ quick test pack. Then, put the saliva in the spacer or container saliva 10 ml. Then, take the pipette and drop into the salivary hole, and then wait for 5 until 10 minutes. The interpretation have 3 possibilities. First, if the control line is red and the indicator line is red, the result is positive. Second, if the control line is white but the indicator line is white, the result is negative. Third, if the control line is white but the test line is red, can be declared this tool is broken. This OSCE, oral STJ quick test pack, can be used for early diagnosis of oral squamous cell carcinoma. It is easy, practical, fast, so it can reduce the incidence of oral squamous cell carcinoma because it is being detected early. Based on this description, obtain recommendation for future research of the technical tools. So this innovation, OSCE, oral STJ quick test pack, can be realistic, but it also requires the support of the relevant agency to support this innovation, so that these tools can be applied by all Indonesian people.